Hey everyone! I know it's been a while since I've done an unboxing. The last one I did was Vlogmas. So my fourth Vlogmas unboxing was the last one I did. And today I am going to do an unboxing of this so adorable, this McDonald's Happy Meal. So it's like a Pikachu box. It is a Pikachu box, and so as you can see, there are some openings. Don't mind the plastic inside, but to pop the ears out. Isn't it adorable? And we also have this, which, sorry for the glare. I'll show you the contents of it shortly. Okay, let's begin. Okay, when I said unboxing, I meant unboxing of the Pokemon cards that are inside the little packet thingy because the meal has already been eaten. If you want to know what I got a hamburger, 2 kids fries, and chocolate milk. So at McDonald's in a Happy Meal, you can have 2 sides, which are fries and apple slices. Since I have apple slices at home, might as well get another thing of fries. And here I present to you the Happy Toy. Isn't Pikachu adorable? And here are the contents inside. Okay, this is the playing card packaging consisting of Squirtle, Pikachu, Charmander, and Bulbasaur. So my friend actually gave me his playing cards, or his Pokemon cards, and there are 4 cards in each package, or in each packet, so I have 8 total. The Happy Toy also came with this Pikachu stand thingy, which I'll show you the instructions for in the following clips. However, I would like to note that at the bottom, notice that there's a Pikachu logo, and it has the numbers 2 and 5 to represent the 25th anniversary. So the 2 and 5 are Pikachu's cheeks here. And like I said, it's to represent the 25th anniversary. So this is what the back looks like. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but if you look closely, there are silhouettes or like gray outlines of all the starter Pokemon. And here is a closer view of the instructions. And this is what the inside of the Happy Toy looks like without the contents. You can do a maze and the answer key's up there. Okay, so this is the back of the Pokemon card. Classic. What I realized later is that each packet has one Pokemon that is holographic, meaning that it is shiny. For some reason, I thought only the Pikachu would have a holographic version, but they all have a holographic version. So regardless of the packet that you get in the Pokemon, for the Pokemon cards, you will have one holographic Pokemon card. It's totally random. In the first packet, Chimchar is the holographic version. I wanted to point out the logo again. What makes these Pokemon cards unique is that they have this particular Pikachu logo. The 25 is supposed to represent the 25th year anniversary, and the 2 and the 5 are Pikachu's cheeks. Here we have Turtwig, this is Pikachu, of course. Too bad it's not holographic. This is Poplio, or however you pronounce it. I've actually never heard of this Pokemon before. Here is Fennekin, or however you pronounce it, the holographic card in the second packet. Here we have Litten, that rhymes with kitten, and I realize why it's called Litten, because it is lit, like it lights things up, hence Litten. And here we have Tepig. Last but not least, we have Froakie. I first heard of Froakie when my friend gave me this Froakie plushie, and as you can see, Froakie is sleeping and I think he or she is snoring because you notice, like those two white thingies on its nose. I don't know if it's probably not, but one is bigger than the other. Like an anime? I don't know how to describe it, but you know what I mean. Here are the 8 Pokemon cards that I have. I hope you enjoyed looking at them. Feel free to pause anywhere in the video if needed. Here is a size comparison of the Happy Meal box and the Happy Toy at the angle that I was at. I just wanted to have both of them in one picture. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, and I will do another one when my stuff comes in, so look forward to that. If you enjoyed watching today's unboxing, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. There will also be more doses of inspiration. I am currently working on a video right now, so also look forward to that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.